Accessories display. 2 AAA batteries installed. Socket voltage measurement. Displaying correct means that the socket is wired correctly. Cut off the neutral wire. Cut the ground wire. Cut off the fire wire. The screen responds to the lack of fire wire. Phase ground wire is wrongly connected, and ground wire is missing. Leave wire and neutral wire are reversed. Fire wire and ground wire are reversed. Press the LCD to test the trick to prove that there is leakage protection.